Hello, today I'm going to present you on the Conference of Parties, abbreviated as COP. Firstly, let me know the history of Conference of Parties. By now, let you know the definition of COP. COP is an international treaty resulting from the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. So there are various conferences of parties which are held on the different nations. By starting with COP1, Conference of Part 1, took place in Berlin in 1995, and among 117 countries participated in this conference. The aim of Conference of Part 1 was to mitigate the greenhouse gases emission and also to adapt Kyoto Protocol. Conference of Part 2 was held in Geneva in 1996, and the aim of this conference was assisting developing countries in technologies which deal with the adaptation of global environment. Also, there is Conference of Party 3 was held in Japan in 1997, and the aim was to promote the Kyoto Protocol, control greenhouse gases emission, and about 140 countries was held. 140 countries participated in this conference, and the aim was to reduce greenhouse gases emission about 5.2%. And the next COP is COP21, which held in Paris in 2015. And the aim of this conference was increased production of renewable energies, which will suppress the emission of greenhouse gases. Also, there is the COP26, which held in 2021 in Glasgow. And one among the aim of this Conference of Parties was financial assistance for green technology, and which about $100 billion was donated to poor countries to control the greenhouse gases emission. Also, this all in all, this COP was held to minimize the impact of greenhouse gases emission, in which was formulated in various alternatives which help with the control or minimization of greenhouse gases. Example, solar panel installation and wind energy, pay for emissions, carbon credit, in which various countries will buy carbon credit to other countries, planting of trees, and so on. As we know that there is various statistics in which the emission took place. Example, in energy consumption, about 78% of global emission took place, and about 12% agriculture contribute emissions, and industrial process contribute about 5.9 emission of greenhouse gases, and the waste and the wastewater emit 3.3% of greenhouse gases, and land use and deforestation contribute about 2.8% of greenhouse gases. So this COP are set every year. The main aim is to facilitate and to look on the minimization of greenhouse gases, which will contribute to increase in global warming. Thank you very much.